What's up, Vibes fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and good ara vibes, yes, is a must. On a rope in and come cook with me. On today's menu, we have some steamed fish. So first, let's create little rubbings for the fish. So I'm adding some garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning. I add good amount of this, by the way, couple tablespoons, about 3 or 4. Some black pepper, and of course some salt. The all-purpose seasoning has salt in it, so that's why I'm not adding too much additional salt. Right, so combine everything, mix it up. Okay, so now that we done create the rub, now we actually are gonna rub. So my fish done wash with lime and all of the extraness. So hubby's putting 2 slits into the fish tail. So he had the fish cut when he bought them because he thought that they were too big to cook whole. So though me would have preferred them for whole, them done already cut. So we still have to put steam in a them skin. So guys, make sure when you season on a fish, right, put some of the seasoning everywhere, even inside of the fish. Because we say when we tear it, when we bite it, and when we joke it, flavor need for burst out from everywhere. So yeah, even in the head, yes, in the fish head, in the fish everywhere, in an eye, you put it everywhere. Because we love when we food just extra season. Or if you don't, if you would have preferred the salt and pepper, go ahead. So that's them, all nice and proper. So my fish was seasoned hours before I start the cooking process. Here are my ingredients that I will be using to make this amazing dish. That blue thing is the fish stock. I have a picture to show you of the packaging after this clip right here. So here it is, my fish stock cube. So first we're going to start by prepping the vegetables and all of the other extra that we will be adding to the steamed fish. So here my husband is peeling a butternut squash. I couldn't find any pumpkin, so this is a great alternative as it's like the same thing in terms of color and all of that. So, you know, guess what? Sometimes you have to improvise. And nothing wrong with that. And that is why I always, when mother say to you, say, when you see me use something and if you not have it, nobody fret on yourself, you know, just improvise. Use what you have or find something that's similar, right? No biggie. So we're going to dice them up. Well, this really come out like triangles, but that's okay. Right? So dice up the Irish. And guys, guess what? Steamed fish now have to be like one way, one way for make this thing, you know. Like, you know, if you realize, me not have an ounce, not even an ounce of okra in my steamed fish. Because guess what? I don't like it. And hubby not like it either. So we're not gonna just put it in our steamed fish just to say, oh, steamed fish and okra. Because some people will tell you, say, you can't steam fish without okra. And me say, nonsense. Do what you want and eat what you like. Food for nice and for enjoy your food. So put what you want in there. So if you don't like pumpkin or Irish, then don't put it in there. There's no one way to cook in steamed fish. So, yes, see like a carrot. Obi, I cut up some carrot. We're going to add some carrot. And sort that out. For dashing our steamed fish. I don't know, I never did I go make the pot run and no sweet pepper and a dash in there. Don't know that. No. So of course I'm coming with all the colors. Yup. So next I'm going to prepare my fish stock. So here are all my veggies and such that I will be adding to my steamed fish. Yes, all the extraness. Stock ready. So I added my stock to my pan, and now I'm adding the squash, Irish thyme, and I'm going to let it cook for 7 minutes. So here it is after 7 minutes. Yes, and I added the thyme so that it could have gone kick out some of the flavor, you know, from the start. So from real early, kick it out. So now I'm adding my fish, and by the way, I gave the Irish a 7 minutes head start only because it's so much you know, the extraness may I add to my pot. Whole heap of veggies, and I want to ensure that everybody cook up nice and soft when me done pack up that pot here with veggies like some country bus we are come a town. Lord, why? I can't bother. So yeah, so I added some butter onto each piece of fish, and now I'm going to be adding some onion. Scatter it all about. Scatter, girl, scatter. Next, I'm going to be sticking in some scallion or green onion if you prefer. Stick them in there. I use a sticky. And also, of course, some thyme. And yes, me a sprinkle my sweet pepper them. Yes, sprinkle it. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Fish to mouth, mouth to gut. Get all these colorful peppers dash everywhere. Dash, dash, dash. Dash into the east, dash into the west. We just dashing out veggies all about. And we say colorful. Come true colors, primary colors. They are yellow, they are red. Yes, and of course, me have to add some scotch bonnet pepper. And now, me just go press out the butter when I put on the fish. You don't have to do this at all, right? And I'm just taking up some of that flavorful juice and pour on each piece of the fish. Yes, just get it everywhere. Dash, 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 dash. Okay, now I'm adding in my tomatoes. Pimento seed. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Carrots, of course. Dash out, dash out. Me say dash right out. And that's it. That's it. I'm just gonna cover it for 15 minutes and make it go and do what? Steam. Look on it. So 15 minutes, and then yeah, so just like that, the 15 minutes up. So this is all us vibes fam, done and ready. So You can actually add more water if you want more water in there. So I didn't just add just source of water to my pot. So of course you see me do the stock because it just add extra flavor. By the way, you can use cock soup if you don't want. I mean, whatever you want to put in there. Or if you are just salt and pepper and water and your veggies, then go ahead. Do what's good for you, boo. It's fine. We all do things differently. It's all good. So vibes fam, see we ya. Fish all done. Fish all done it. Done it. It is. Look at it. And you see the steam. It's steam and ready to be devoured. And not ask me if me never deal with the matter. Me say me deal with the matter proper. Yes. So good. So good. So good. And all my veggies. When you see the steam where I come through and look pan, but say all in the head. When you see the vegetable them in the head. Yes, we have to do all we can do. Yes, so hot and ready for the video light. Guys, I really enjoyed this. And I think, with steamed fish most of the time, is spent on really prepping. But after that, you can just dash in everything in your pot and go on about your business, and I you that. So guys, please remember to add whatever veggies you like. Everyone does things differently and that's okay. So this is just one of the way where you can steam your fish. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, Vibes fam. Don't forget to share my video. New watchers, please subscribe. The link is in the description box to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Just click the drop down bar, all right? Thanks so much. Please subscribe. God bless you.